What are you doing in there, Junebug? Right. How did you climb up there, huh? What's going on? Are you in your tent? Are you camping? Oh, where's... Okay, where's your firewood for the night? Do you have a plan for dinner? Mm-hmm. Okay. Yeah. I know, Junebug. I love camping too. You're not the only one. Yeah. Oh. Is that your paper? Is that your fire starter? Hi. Hi. Oops. Papa, what is going on?
Just clean it up.
Nora, what is your sister doing? Nora, what is your sister doing? Huh?
She's in the camping on this.
I guess so. Are you going to get in there too, Nora? Is there enough room for you? Uh-oh! Are you stuck? What's she doing, Ella? What's she doing? What are you doing, silly girl? What are you doing, silly girl? What are you doing now, Nora Pants? What are you doing? Are you coming back out?
Uh-oh.
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 Are you a climber?
Uh-oh. Where's Nora?
What you doing, Nora?
Now Nora's in there?
Are you up there too?
Don't touch.
What's she doing? What is your sister doing? Hi, Nora.
She's hiding in there too, Mom.
I think we've got two campers.
Is it too crazy for feet and all, Mama?
Yes, I think so.